In this video, I will show you how to start a video call on WhatsApp using the web page. For that, simply open up any web browser like Chrome or Safari. Once you open it, in the search bar type whatsapp.com. From here, you will see this download button and login button. Simply click on login button. Once you click on the login button, you will get this QR code on the screen. You will have to simply scan it from your phone's WhatsApp app. Once you do it, you will be logged into your WhatsApp account. From here, to start a video call, simply click on the contact that you want to call. From here, you can see this search icon and then voice call icon and video call icon. To start a video call, simply click on this video call icon. After that, you will have to allow access to your microphone and camera. Simply click on allow. And after that, a video call will be started here. You can simply cut the call whenever you want, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.